Hi my foodie friends, welcome back to my channel Taste of Life Vlog. Ganesh Chaturthi, the festival is celebrated very nicely throughout the country. During this festival, we make several sweets. Today, I'm going to share a very nice recipe with you is sweet steamed modak with its lovely sweet coconut filling. So let's get started and see the recipe. First, I'm going to make a filling for modak. For this, take a flat pan. Now add 1 teaspoon of ghee. Now add grated coconut flour. This is around 2 cups. Now give a good mix and roast it for around 3 to 5 minutes. Now add jaggery 1 cup or around 182 grams. And again roast it for a few more minutes. Yeah, and mix everything in the medium flame so that it gets melt easily. See the color? After a few minutes, now add water, half cup. And again give a good mix. The rest of the water, yeah. See, it changes the color and look at that. See, the jaggery melts really well. Now it's a time to add cardamom powder. So add cardamom powder 1 teaspoon and give a good mix. So everything is well combined together. The modak filling is almost ready. Now move on to the next step. Take a big mixing bowl and now add modak flour, or we can call it rice flour, 2 cups. To this add salt, half teaspoon. Now add ghee, 1 teaspoon. You can add oil also if you want, either of ghee or oil. It gives little moisture and softness in the dough. Now I'm going to pour hot water around 1 cup to little bit more and mix it really well. And you need to add water slowly in small portions. Do not add water like in one go. Look at that. Now knead the dough for 3 minutes at least. Like breaking and again knead it. Now rice dough is ready. move on to the next step. So I have this mold for making the modak. So grease the mold with little oil or ghee in it. Actually, it is very easy to make if you have a modak mold. Otherwise, it's a little too difficult. So I have this, and it saves my time also and my extra effort. Now I'm gonna close this like this, and now put the dough inside like this. Make sure you fill the mold with the dough completely, you have to make it round and fill it on the side and every place. Now place the modak filling like this, and a little bit more. I need to add more. Yeah. And now I'm going to seal it with little dough on the top and press it on the top. Yeah, like this. Press it and hold it. Now hold it for a couple of seconds and little shake it if you want. And now you can gently open it. Look at this. Yes. Look at this. It comes really nice. So now I'm gonna make the modak with the rest of the dough. See, I've made 3 already. So here I've already made all the modaks. Now it's the time to steam it. Here I've taken a steamer, and now I'm going to grease it with little oil or ghee so that it won't stick. Now place all the modaks in it. You can put banana leaf on the bottom, and then you can put modaks on the top. It gives a nice flavor to the modaks. So I don't have a banana leaf, so I'm just placing the modaks on the plate like that. And now I'm going to steam it for 15 minutes. After 10 minutes, just want to check this. See, half done, and they are looking nice. After 5 more minutes, look at that. Now it's shiny and looks like it is done. So see, take them out in a plate and ready to serve. Modaks are ready to serve, and they are looking very shiny and delicious. Friends, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon button. See you next time with new yummy recipe. For now, bye bye and have a nice day.